So we are starting another project, and it will be a basement bathroom from the scratch. That's probably how we will name this, because we don't even have a light here. I had to bring the construction little halogen here so we can see what we are doing. Obviously there's barely a wall here. Rough ends in the wrong spot because you see we have to move. There will be a shower drain at the center. We are moving the toilet, adding the framing, moving the electrical, moving the ductwork, adding bathroom fan, all 9 yards, full on build out on barely just the slab and few studs we have to modify. So stay tuned because you will see step by step how to put a bathroom where, well, again, we have just some kind of rough ends here, but nothing's in the right spot. So we'll be opening the slab, moving it around, moving the ductwork, moving the electrical, adding fan, and we have such a cool tiles to go on the wall and on the ceiling and on the floor. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.